Hey guys, it's me Tyler. So yeah, I've been on unboxing today. It's pretty big. Most of you know already that the Tournament Display Pro has been released, and that's what's in this box. So I'm gonna be unboxing it. Sorry if you guys have any trouble hearing me. I got sick and I lost my voice, so yeah, that if you can't hear me, that's why. So just gonna open this thing up. Took about a week to get here. I would have gotten here sooner, but because I ordered it right before Thanksgiving, UPS doesn't ship through Thursday and Friday, so it got delayed back till today. So yeah, let's open this up. So, oh wow, this is awesome. Okay, so receipt, and as everyone says, William Polly's in the box. So yeah, here it is. You can see the Tournament Display Pro, and this is awesome. So throw that back there. So yeah, this is really cool. It shows the back right there. You can see how all that. This looks awesome. So just let me grab this. Here. Okay. I have the batteries. I might plug the adapter. I don't know. So let's just open this up. So, oh my gosh, that is small. Whoa. I mean, people said it was small, but I didn't expect it to be that small. Wow. Okay, so this is it. Wow, it's a really nice clamp. That's really nice. So this will fit on my table. I know it will. Really tight. Alright, yeah. Oh, you need a screwdriver. Oh, I forgot to grab one. I watched Peters, and I know he said that you need a screwdriver. So I'll be right back, and then do the rest. Right here. So now I can continue. So here's the adapter that goes onto that cables. So how light is this? Oh my gosh! What? This is so light. I mean, oh my gosh! Look at me. It's heavier than the timer, but it feels so light. Oh my gosh. Here's the head. Back of it right there. I don't know. You probably can't see. Kind of a little bit. Okay, so, wow. This is like really light. I can't believe this. Wow. Okay, so wow, cool. So it does exactly what the other Tournament Display did. Oh, cool. Oh, well, I don't know if you saw the back or not. is this board. Oh, that's cool. Wow, this is actually a bigger jack than what was expected. Like, see, it's a normal jack, and you see how they're colored? That's really cool. Alright, so we'll plug this in. There we go. So now we'll plug this. Whoa! That's so cool. Wow, that's awesome. And that's so small. It looks even smaller when it's like that. Okay, so now I heard that they said that if you plug it into a normal Generation 2 timer, that it will erase the third decimal. So let's see. See? Oh wow, that's so cool. So you see, it does work with a Generation 2 timer, and it will take away that third decimal. And it still just works exactly the same. That's really neat. So that explains why I just first stacks with the brand new. Wow, that's all really good. Tournament Display Pro. Yeah, 7.686 with the Tournament Display Pro, first 7. It doesn't show records. Awesome. So yeah, this thing is like really cool. Yeah. Okay, cool. So I'll just show you a little bit of the background now. Just a little bit more. So here's the tournament display right there. Underneath it, some speed stacks, all that. Nice. This is actually kind of cool right here at back. So there's the back. Right there, you can see it says timer data port, and this one says charging port or something. So yeah, and then the speed stacks logo. So yeah, let me just show you the back. Oops. Okay. Show you the back. Yeah, there it is. Stops. Okay, cool. Alright guys, so that's the Tournament Display Pro, and I'll see y'all.